Have you ever wondered what the next big leap in AI looks like? We've gone from simple chatbots to incredibly powerful language models, but what if an AI could understand not just text, but also images, sound, and even code, all at the same time? Well, that future is here, and it's called Google Gemini. Gemini isn't just another AI model, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. It's what we call a multimodal AI. Think of it like this: while other AIs might be fluent in one language, like text, Gemini is a polyglot, fluently speaking the languages of text, images, and audio. This allows it to understand our world in a much more complete and human-like way. The journey to Gemini didn't happen overnight. It's built on decades of AI research, standing on the shoulders of giants like Google's own BERT and PaLM models. But Gemini takes a massive step forward. At its core, it uses an advanced architecture that can process different types of information simultaneously. It tokenizes everything: words, pixels in an image, sound waves, and puts them into a shared space where it can see the complex relationships between them. On top of that, it has specialized reasoning layers, allowing it to think through multi-step problems, and it's constantly learning from human feedback to ensure its answers are not just correct, but also safe and helpful. So, what can you actually do with this powerful technology? The applications are almost limitless. For researchers, it can summarize dense scientific papers or even generate new hypotheses by connecting dots across different studies. In the business world, it can analyze market trends from reports, charts, and news clips to help with strategic planning. Developers can use it to write and debug code, while doctors could use it to analyze patient notes alongside medical images to assist in diagnosis. It's a tool that can boost creativity, streamline complex work, and unlock insights we might have missed. Now, you might be thinking, how is this different from something like ChatGPT? That's a great question. Furthermore, Gemini features what's called adaptive reasoning, meaning it can adjust its thinking process based on the complexity of your request, making it incredibly powerful for professional and academic tasks that require deep analysis. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Like any advanced AI, Gemini isn't perfect. There's a risk of it generating inaccurate information, or what we call hallucinations. There are also ongoing challenges around bias in the data it was trained on and the potential for misuse. That's why Google has placed a huge emphasis on safety, building in ethical frameworks to minimize these risks. But it also means that we, as users, need to be critical thinkers. Human oversight is still the most important part of the equation. To get the most out of Gemini, you need to learn how to talk to it. This is called prompt engineering. The clearer and more detailed your instructions, the better the result will be. Instead of just saying, "Tell me about climate change," a better prompt would be, "Summarize the key findings from the latest IPCC report on climate change," focusing on the impact on coastal cities, and present it as a 500-word executive brief. By giving it context, constraints, and a clear goal, you turn Gemini from a generalist into a highly specialized assistant. Looking ahead, the potential of Gemini is truly transformative. We're moving towards a future of fully integrated AI assistants that can perceive and interact with the world in real time, right on our devices. Imagine an AI that can help a student with their homework by explaining a diagram, playing a relevant audio clip, and summarizing the text all at once. This is about more than just getting answers, it's about augmenting human intelligence, helping us solve bigger problems, and unlocking new waves of creativity. Google Gemini isn't just the next step in AI, it's a doorway to a whole new way of working, learning, and creating. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the future of technology. Let me know in the comments what you think about Gemini.